The one Justin has on the end would be for heavy porous stucco block brick, where you're trying to get in, durability is not really a factor. Olivia down here has a 3/8 cover, which is designed for smoother applications like slick walls. 3/4, actually she's got a 3/4, Shane's got a 3/8.
So 3/8 generic,
on how they're
3/4 purdy.
I got the other 4 inches of each one too.
Oh, did you?
But y'all notice, look at Olivia's, the finish that Olivia's getting. Creating like a little bit of an orange peel simple.
Yeah.
Y'all noticing that? But you look at Shane's.
Shane's is a little more smooth.
On Shane's and Olivia's.
Her coverage. Yeah, I can see the little orange peel. Shane's is a little smoother.
One right.
Look, when you apply with a roller, when you're applying with a roller, your paint, you get your paint on there.
Follow and subscribe for more.